Here you go, honey.
Thank you. Thank you, babe.
Alright, so today I'm going to be doing an ombre effect on a client's shirts. It's going to be white, pink, and red. Well, it's going to go from red to pink to white. I really don't know how it's going to go. I've only done this one other time and only on 2 shirts. Okay, so first I need to tape these off real quick, and I'm just going to put this on a time lapse because it takes a minute to do it. Okay, so I taped off the screens. I didn't tape them all the way just because I don't think I'll be getting any ink on the bottom here. I don't really want to waste tape. Plus I've got like a little system for not spraying the ink everywhere, which is great. So the next thing I need to do is line up these prints. So something that I've been doing is taping the transparency to the shirt. Okay, so the colors I'm going to be using today is black, red, Rio red, and white. I just put white ink and red ink, and I'm hoping that those two mix in the middle and make like a pink through here. Actually turned out really good. Super happy with it. Okay, so my battery's going dead. I'm gonna finish up here. I have 12 ombre shirts to print. It's pretty hard to keep it all those 3 colors because they all are eventually like mixing together, making a pink and a red instead of a white. But I was able to keep a little bit of white in there, and I think they turned out pretty well. I think the ombre is a really cool effect. The only thing is, if you're gonna do an ombre effect, I would definitely charge a lot more because it is very tedious. And it's really hard to like not mix all the colors together unless there's got to be another way to do the ombre. I'm sure you can separate the 2 colors and then, I don't know, I would assume it's like a halftone thing, which I don't know how to do yet. I'm still kind of experimenting, so for the most part I think the ombre turned out pretty good for how long I've been screen printing. So but yeah, thank you guys for watching.